Hey everyone, Nicole here with CELLBOTICS, and I have some very exciting news for you. I am relocating CELLBOTICS to Atlanta. Yes, I know some of you are like, no, the city. I know, but it's just so much more convenient. I did it with you in mind. If you look up flights and travel, you will find that Atlanta is going to be much easier and cheaper for you to get to than Greenville. We did a study and we found that most of our students had to take a connector flight, and that to me costed you extra money, and I needed to do something about it. And so I've been in the works trying to find the right space, trying to decide. For a couple of years, really, I've been on the fence, and finally I was just like, we need to do it. Okay, I need to move CELLBOTICS to Atlanta. And so I want to explain to you some good pointers about coming to Atlanta to see us. Okay, flights are much cheaper. Traveling in the city is going to be easy. You're going to have buses, Uber, Lyft, taxis, subway. Not the subway, the train. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if Atlanta has a subway, actually. I know you have the MARTA. There's just so much. There's shuttles. And so basically our location is in some place called Norcross. Now, a lot of the Atlanteans are kind of giving me a hard time because I'm calling it Atlanta, but it's actually Norcross, okay? But it's just 30 minutes from the airport, and you say, oh man, it's so far. It's not far. I mean, all you have to do is get from the airport to your hotel, because at this location, when you walk out the door, there's literally 4 or 5 hotels in walking distance. We have your lower end hotels like Motel 6, Days Inn, and then we have like a Marriott, and we have a Holiday Inn. All of this is on our website. I have a blog. If you go to our blogs, and you'll see Atlanta, and you'll see all the information that I'm talking about in this video, and links to all the hotels. And then we have the Comfort Inn, which is right next to us. Now, I'm going to be working with them to try to get set up so we can book rooms for you, much like we do in Greenville now. But basically, you have to get a ride to your hotel, and then you walk back and forth. And there's food all right there. There's a Waffle House. There's a mom and pop restaurant. There's a Burger King. There's a Subway. There's a Thai restaurant that I hear is phenomenal. And so I just think the location is perfect, okay? In addition to that, there are vendors local. So we love field trips, taking you to meet people in person before you leave, okay? In Greenville, we didn't have that option, right? Because there's just not any vendors. Now, we do give you vendors in other cities. Sorry, hair is tickling my hair. We do give you vendors in other cities, but there just happens to be a couple of vendors in Atlanta, and they're just a few minutes away from us. It's another reason why I picked this location. So we're actually going to get to take you to meet a vendor, tour the facility, look at different items, meet the people that you'll be dealing with, which is amazing, okay? Now let's talk about the space. We are on the 2nd floor. It is double the size what we have now. Now I was going to go real big and get like 4,000 square feet, and I hope I don't kick myself for not doing it, but then again, I only have a 3-year lease here, so if I find that, we really need that bigger space, then in 3 years I'll make that choice. But right now, this is double the size, so we were in about 1,300 square feet. Right now, we were busting at the seams. If you have been to us, we're squished in there, right? We need more room. And so this is about 2,500 square feet. It's got a bunch of offices. It's got a male and a female bathroom, which I really like because we only had one. And in our bathrooms, we have perfumes and colognes and mouthwash. And I just try to make it really, really inviting. And so you can feel really relaxed while you're there. And so, yes, I do go out of the way. I am a big bathroom person. I just like stuff in the bathroom, and soaps and lotions and stuff like that. Mouthwash, again, I said mouthwash, yeah. And we have actually a break room, which I am so excited about because we get so many people in just different mixes of cultures. And, I really want to accommodate their need. We get a lot of people that travel with food because they don't eat out for dietary reasons. And so now we have a full refrigerator, table, chairs, cabinetry, microwave, a toaster oven, all the utensils you need. We even have snacks, we have drinks, water, soda. So we're just really, really prepared to make sure that you guys are really comfortable. The space is big and open, much like we have right now. You know, the desks will be set up a little bit differently. They're gonna have to be like 3 side by side instead of like just one row, just because the room is more wide than it is long where we're at now. But we're gonna make it work. And then we have some really exciting new features coming out that we're going to offer after class, which I'm really excited. I'm not going to announce on here though. Hey, like and subscribe while you're listening, please. Subscribe, like. Okay. So I'm just really excited about this space. It's really convenient. All you have to do is get from the airport to the hotel. If you book a hotel around the school, you can walk every day, and then on your last day all you have to do is Uber or Lyft it back to the airport. It's easy peasy, couldn't be any more convenient. Okay, and when we go on a field trip, you just ride with the trainers or a fellow student who brings a vehicle. We are working on a van, so we would be able to have like a little van, like our own little shuttle that we're gonna get wrapped and stuff. So I'm working on that. But we just have a lot of great things going on. So I really hope that you guys come down and see us, and I hope this doesn't deter you. Norcross is a beautiful area. You don't have to be worried. It's not like downtown, you know, busy. And so just get on down here and see us. And I hope I've made it more convenient for you, more cost effective. All right, like and subscribe, and watch some other videos. Okay, all right, bye.